Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English with Tom and Anna.
Welcome back, everyone. We are so happy to see you again.
I'm Tom.
And I'm Anna.
Thank you so much for coming back to learn English with us.
Every time you watch our lessons, you become a little stronger in English.
Today, we have a very important lesson.
Yes, today we are learning one of the most confusing English topics for beginners.
We are going to learn the difference between since and for.
Many students know these words, but they are not sure when to use them.
Exactly, but don't worry.
By the end of this lesson, you will understand them clearly.
We will explain what prepositions are.
We will explain why prepositions are important in English.
We will learn the meaning of since.
We will learn the meaning of for.
We will compare them many times.
We will show you where each one is used.
We will practice positive sentences.
Negative sentences too.
We will also practice questions.
And WH questions like how long and since when.
We will learn sentence patterns.
We will use easy daily English.
We will correct common mistakes.
We will do small quizzes together.
We will even share memory tricks to help you remember everything.
So relax, enjoy the lesson, and practice with us.
Let's begin.
Tom, what is a preposition?
Great question.
I think many beginners want to know.
A preposition is a small word.
Only a small word?
Yes, but it has a very important job.
What does it do?
It connects words.
Can you explain that simply?
Of course.
I'm listening.
A preposition tells us about time.
Okay.
It can tell us about place.
Nice.
It can also tell us about direction.
Like to school?
Exactly.
So prepositions help us understand relationships between words.
Perfect.
Can you give some examples?
Sure.
Let's hear them.
In the room.
On the table.
Under the chair.
At school.
Since Monday.
For 2 days.
Very good.
Today's stars are since and for.
Exactly.
Are both about time?
Yes.
Do they have the same meaning?
No.
That is why people get confused.
Exactly.
So, what is the easiest way to understand them?
Here is the first memory trick.
I'm ready.
Since tells us the starting point.
The starting point.
Yes.
Like the beginning?
Exactly.
What about for?
For tells us the length of time.
The length?
Yes.
How long something happens?
Perfect.
So, since is the beginning.
Correct.
And for is the time between the beginning and now.
Excellent.
Can we see examples?
Of course.
Let's start with since.
Listen carefully.
I'm ready.
I have lived here since 2020.
The starting year is 2020.
Exactly.
Another one.
She has worked here since Monday.
Monday is the starting day.
Correct.
One more.
We have been friends since childhood.
Childhood is the beginning.
Exactly.
Now let's learn for.
Sure.
Give us an example.
I have lived here for 5 years.
5 years is the length of time.
Exactly.
Another one.
She has worked here for 3 months.
3 months tells us how long.
Correct.
One more.
We have been friends for 20 years.
Now I can see the difference.
Wonderful.
Can I try?
Please do.
I have studied English since 3 years.
Almost correct.
Really?
Yes.
What is wrong?
3 years is a length of time.
Oh.
So we use for.
The correct sentence is, I have studied English for 3 years.
Exactly.
Now another one.
Go ahead.
I have studied English for 2022.
Another common mistake.
Really?
Yes.
Why?
Because 2022 is a starting point.
So I should say, I have studied English since 2022.
Perfect.
I think many students make these mistakes.
Yes, they do.
But now it is becoming easier.
That's great.
Can we make a small chart with words?
Sure.
Let's do it together.
Use since with a year.
Since 2020.
Since 2018.
Since 1995.
Use since with a day.
Since Monday.
Since Friday.
Since Sunday.
Use since with a date.
Since July 1st.
Since January 10th.
Good.
Use since with a time.
Since 8 o'clock.
Since noon.
Since midnight.
Excellent.
Now let's practice for.
Great.
For 1 hour.
For 2 hours.
For 5 minutes.
For 3 days.
For 2 weeks.
For 6 months.
For 10 years.
Perfect.
I think I understand.
Let's make it even easier.
I'm listening.
If someone asks since when?
The answer usually starts with since.
Exactly.
For example,
Since Monday.
since last year.
Since breakfast.
Nice.
Now another question.
Okay.
If someone asks how long?
The answer usually uses for.
Exactly.
For example,
For 3 days.
for 1 hour.
For 6 months.
That is a very helpful trick.
Yes, many students remember it this way.
Let's practice together.
Good idea.
Everyone watching, answer before Tom.
Ready?
Sentence number 1.
I have waited here, 2 hours.
Think carefully.
Do we need the beginning or the length?
Pause the video if you need more time.
The answer is
4.
excellent.
Next one.
She has lived here, 2019.
Beginning or length?
The answer is
Since.
great job.
Another one.
They have been married, 10 years.
What do you think?
The answer is
4.
excellent.
Next one.
They have been married, 2015.
Beginning or length?
The answer is
Since.
perfect.
This is fun.
Learning English should be fun.
Can we use these words in daily conversations?
Of course.
Let's practice.
Hi, Anna. How long have you lived in this city?
I have lived here for 6 years.
Very nice.
Now my turn.
Go ahead.
Since when have you worked here?
I have worked here since 2021.
Excellent.
Now, another conversation.
Let's do it.
How long have you known Sarah?
I have known Sarah for 8 years.
Very good.
Since when have you known her?
I have known her since high school.
That sounds very natural.
Exactly.
Now, I want to make another sentence.
Go ahead.
I have waited since 3 hours.
Oops.
Did I make another mistake?
Yes, but that's okay.
What should I say?
Say, I have waited for 3 hours.
Because 3 hours is the length.
Exactly.
How about this?
I'm listening.
I have waited for 9 o'clock.
Almost.
What is the correct sentence?
I have waited since 9 o'clock.
Because 9 o'clock is the starting time.
Perfect.
I think I am getting better.
You really are.
Everyone watching, don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Mistakes help us learn.
Practice with us every day.
And write your own examples in the comments.
We would love to read them.
Let's keep practicing with more real-life situations. Let's imagine you're talking to a friend.
That sounds useful.
Your friend asks, how long have you had your phone?
I can answer, I have had my phone for 2 years.
Excellent.
Now you ask me another question.
Since when have you had this phone?
I have had this phone since 2024.
Perfect.
Both answers are correct, but the questions are different.
Exactly.
How long gives us the length.
And since when gives us the starting point.
Very easy.
Now let's try another example.
Okay.
How long have you been awake?
I have been awake for 3 hours.
Great.
Since when have you been awake?
I have been awake since 6 a.m.
Very nice.
Let's use these words at school.
Good idea.
How long have you studied English?
I have studied English for 1 year.
Wonderful.
Since when have you studied English?
I have studied English since last July.
That sounds very natural.
Now let's talk about work.
Okay.
How long has your father worked there?
He has worked there for 15 years.
Very good.
Since when has he worked there?
He has worked there since 2011.
Excellent.
Now let's practice negative sentences.
Many students forget these.
Don't worry, they're easy.
Let's begin.
I have not seen my cousin for 2 months.
That means 2 months have passed.
Exactly.
Another one.
I have not seen my cousin since January.
January is the starting point.
Correct.
Can I try?
Of course.
She has not called me since 3 weeks.
Almost right.
I think I know.
Tell us.
She has not called me for 3 weeks.
Perfect.
Now another one.
Go ahead.
She has not called me for Monday.
One small mistake.
It should be,
She has not called me since Monday.
now I understand.
Great job.
Can we practice questions now?
Absolutely.
How long have you lived here?
I have lived here for 10 years.
Since when have you lived here?
I have lived here since 2016.
How long has your brother played football?
He has played football for 5 years.
Since when has he played football?
He has played football since he was 10 years old.
That is a nice example.
Now let's practice WH questions.
Let's do it.
Where have you worked since 2023?
I have worked at a hospital since 2023.
Why have you stayed here for so long?
Because I like this city.
Who have you known since childhood?
I have known Sarah since childhood.
How long have you known Sarah?
I have known her for 15 years.
Excellent.
Can since come before words like yesterday?
Yes,
Can you give examples?
since yesterday,
Since last week.
since last month,
Since last night.
since this morning.
Very useful.
Now let's see more words with for.
Okay.
For a second,
For a minute.
for an hour,
For half an hour.
for a day,
For a week.
for a month.
For a lifetime.
Excellent.
Can we learn a simple sentence pattern?
Of course.
Please explain slowly.
Pattern number 1.
I'm ready.
Subject,
Then.
have or has.
Then.
Past participle,
Then.
for,
Then.
length of time.
Example.
I have lived here for 5 years.
Another one.
She has studied English for 6 months.
One more.
They have waited for 1 hour.
Very easy.
Now, pattern number 2.
Let's hear it.
Subject,
Then.
have or has.
Then.
Past participle,
Then.
since,
Then.
starting point.
Example.
I have lived here since 2020.
Another one.
She has studied English since January.
One more.
They have waited since 8 o'clock.
Great.
Now, let's play a quick game.
I love games.
I will say a word.
And I will choose since or for.
Ready?
Ready.
3 hours.
For.
Monday.
Since.
5 weeks.
For.
Last year.
Since.
2 minutes.
For.
Breakfast.
Since.
Excellent.
Now, everyone watching, play with us. Answer before Anna.
1 month.
Correct answer?
4. Yesterday.
Since.
10 days.
For.
2021.
Since.
6 hours.
For.
Last Friday.
Since.
Amazing.
I think everyone is improving.
I think so too.
Let's talk about common mistakes again.
Good idea.
Mistake number 1.
I have lived here since 5 years.
Wrong.
Correct.
I have lived here for 5 years.
Excellent.
Mistake number 2.
I have worked here for 2022.
Wrong.
Correct.
I have worked here since 2022.
Perfect.
Mistake number 3.
I have known him since 2 months.
Wrong.
Correct.
I have known him for 2 months.
Excellent.
Mistake number 4.
I have been busy for Monday.
Wrong.
Correct.
I have been busy since Monday.
Fantastic.
Can we learn one more memory trick?
Of course.
Please tell us.
Think about a road.
Okay.
The place where the road begins.
Is like since.
Exactly.
And the distance you travel.
Is like for.
I like that.
Here is another trick.
Tell us.
If you can point to a beginning.
Use since.
If you can count the time.
Use for.
Very simple.
Let's do one final practice.
Everyone answer aloud.
I have lived here, blank, 2018.
The answer is,
Since.
she has waited blank 2 hours.
For.
They have been friends blank childhood.
Since.
We have stayed here blank 1 week.
For.
He has worked here blank January.
Since.
Excellent work.
You are doing a fantastic job.
Now, let's quickly review today's lesson.
We learned that both since and for talk about time.
But they do different jobs,
Since tells us the starting point.
like a year, a day, a date, a time, or an event,
For tells us the length of time.
like minutes, hours, days, weeks, months, or years.
We practiced positive sentences,
Negative sentences,
questions,
WH questions,
daily conversations,
common mistakes.
and easy memory tricks.
Remember this simple sentence.
Since means from when.
For means how long.
Keep practicing every day.
Don't worry if you make mistakes.
Every mistake helps you learn.
The more English you hear,
The more confident you become.
try making 5 sentences with since.
Then make 5 sentences with for.
Write them in the comments below.
We would love to read your examples.
If this lesson helped you, please give it a big thumbs up.
Subscribe to English with Tom and Anna.
Turn on the notification bell so you never miss a lesson.
Share this video with your friends and family who are learning English.
Learning together is always more fun.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us today.
We really appreciate every one of you.
Keep learning,
Keep practicing.
keep smiling.
And we'll see you in the next English lesson.
Bye, everyone.
Take care and happy learning.